Fenugreek, the aromatic herb that nourishes body and soul. Fenugreek has woven itself into human history as both a kitchen staple and a healing ally, offering a fascinating blend of culinary richness and therapeutic promise. Let's explore its story through the lens of those who grow, heal, and cook with it. A healing companion through the ages for centuries, herbalists and midwives have turned to fenugreek as a gentle remedy. Nursing mothers often sip its golden-hued tea, trusting its age-old reputation to support milk flow, a practice now echoed in small but promising studies where mothers drinking fenugreek tea doubled their milk output. In bustling spice markets, elders might whisper about its power to soothe fiery heartburn, a claim backed by research showing it rivals antacids for relief. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts are now discovering its potential too, with studies suggesting supplements like Furosap could boost endurance by enhancing lean muscle mass and testosterone levels. Yet, its most profound impact might lie in quiet moments, helping women navigate menopause's turbulent waves by easing hot flashes and mood swings. From soil to table, growing fenugreek's legacy. Picture a sun-drenched garden where fenugreek thrives, its delicate leaves soaking up 4 to 5 hours of daily light. Gardeners from India to Iowa know the joy of scattering seeds after the last frost, watching them sprout within days sometimes, even soaking them overnight to speed their journey. The plant asks little. Well-drained soil warmed by spring's touch, a rhythm of watering that keeps roots happy but never waterlogged. In warmer climates like South India, it grows nearly year-round, while northerners treasure its quick harvest, plucking tender greens within weeks for curries or letting seed pods dry into autumn's golden bounty. Whether tucked into garden beds or containers, fenugreek's resilience makes it a favorite for both novice growers and seasoned green thumbs. A spice that tells a story. In kitchens worldwide, fenugreek's maple-scented seeds and bittersweet leaves whisper of ancient traditions. Indian home cooks stir fresh methi leaves into potato curries or simmer them with lentils, their earthy, depth-balancing spices like cumin and turmeric. Ethiopian Berber spice blends owe their complexity to fenugreek's toasted seeds. Middle Eastern pickles and chutneys gain a tangy kick from its ground powder. For those with a sweet tooth, its seeds even mimic maple syrup in desserts and teas. Beyond flavor, it's a bridge between generations. Grandmothers might pass down remedies like fenugreek-infused oils for sore muscles, while younger chefs experiment with sprouted seeds in vibrant salads. The science behind the stories. Modern labs are now validating what healers long suspected. Diabetics in clinical trials saw steadier blood sugar after adding fenugreek to meals, thanks to fibers that slow sugar absorption. Its seeds' antioxidants show promise in shielding cells from damage, while animal studies hint at anti-cancer potential. Yet, it's the human-scale benefits, like easing menstrual cramps enough to reduce painkiller use, that resonate most. Even in cancer care, researchers cautiously explore its compounds, though they warn against unverified claims. For now, fenugreek remains a humble hero, a spice rack staple with roots in both tradition and cutting-edge science. A living tradition. Fenugreek's true magic lies in its duality, a plant equally at home in a diabetic's teacup, a chef's mortar, and a farmer's field. It's a reminder that healing and nourishment often grow from the same soil, tended by hands across generations and continents. As science continues to unravel its secrets, its legacy as a companion through life's aches, flavors, and everyday rituals remains unshaken. While fenugreek offers potential health benefits, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating into your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. And as with anything, moderation is key. Its secrets, its legacy as a companion through life's aches, flavors, and everyday rituals remains unshaken. While fenugreek offers potential health benefits, It's important to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating into your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. And as with anything, moderation is key.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more content like this.